Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Chrome is updated and you have admin access. First, disable extensions to rule out extension-induced frames. This isolates the problem fast. Next, toggle hardware acceleration off then on, because GPU rendering often causes flicker. This step shows whether software rendering stabilizes the page. Make sure to restart Chrome after each change so settings fully apply. Once done, observe whether flicker persists on multiple tabs and note which pages reproduce it. Now you move into deeper fixes. Update your graphics drivers directly from the GPU vendor because outdated drivers are a common root cause. Install and reboot. Then open Chrome, //flags, and reset modified flags to defaults to avoid experimental rendering bugs. Create a new Chrome profile or use guest to determine if profile data causes rendering conflicts. While testing, compare results with hardware acceleration on and off. This comparison helps you pinpoint whether Chrome or the profile is at fault. To finish, reinstall Chrome cleanly or run the Chrome cleanup tool to remove lingering corruption, and then reinstall the latest stable build. Verify OS display settings, set native refresh rate and scaling to recommended values, because mismatches can cause tearing and flicker. If the issue began after a driver update, roll back the GPU driver. If not, try a clean driver install. Troubleshooting tip. If flicker persists only on one monitor, swap cables or use a different port to rule out hardware cabling issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.